Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to do a collaborative work on your Instagram story with your friends. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, wait until it's perfectly open, and now make sure that you stay in the home section, and you just need to go click this plus button to access your Instagram story. And the next thing you need to do is just go find the picture or the content that you want to do the collaborate with. Let's say here I would like to use this flower, and then the next thing you need to do to add the collaborator, you just need to go click this text icon, and there will be pop up down part here a mention and location. If you want to do a collaborative work, go click this mention, and then you just need to pick the ID or username of your friend's Instagram and go click done. You can also placing this ID into the specific area that you want to have, or if you want to remove this text, you can just like pinch this text into the other part of the content, and you just need to go click add to your story and you're done. That is the way how to do a collaborative work with Instagram story. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.